two cars start out together from the same place, let's say from CCU. Okay, CCU. They travel in opposite directions. So one going to the east, the other going to the west, with one of them traveling 10 miles per hour slower than the other. 10 miles per hour slower than the other. Let's say the first one is driving at x miles per hour, then this will be 10 less. So x minus 10 miles per hour. Okay, after 4 hours, okay, it will be going at the rate of x mile per hour. So after 4 hours, so it will be x in 1 hour, another x in another hour, and so on. We can find the distance. I mean, they are 600 miles apart. So after 4 hours, suppose this car is here and this car is here, and the distance between them is 600 miles. Okay, after 4 hours. After 4 hours, how fast is each car traveling? So x, let's say the first car is going at x mile per hour, then the other would go x minus 10, and the distance traveled by both cars in 4 hours is 600 miles. So we find the distance here, the formula. Okay, distance traveled is given by the velocity, mile per hour, okay, velocity times the time in hours. Okay, so we go in this way. We assign the variable as x equals 1 car's velocity, then 10 miles slower. So x minus 10 will be other car's velocity. Okay, then we write down the equation. In 4 hours, first car's distance travel will be, we multiply by 4. So velocity is x, we multiply by time. Time is 4 hours. Okay, so 4 times x, that's the distance traveled by first car. In fact, if it's going x in 1 hour, x in another hour, another x, so this way it will be 4x. Okay, let me write using this will be 4x, and this will be 4 times x minus 10, and the total distance, this is the distance, this is also distance, this one plus this one is total 600. 4x plus 4x minus 10 is total distance. This is the distance plus another distance is 600 miles. Now we solve for x. For we distribute 4 here, and we get 4x plus distribute, that will be 4x minus 40 equals 600. 4x plus 4x, 8x. Let's move 40 over. We add 40 to the both sides, we get 640, and now we divide by 8, we get x equals 640 divided by 8, that's 80. So the first car, this car is going at the rate of 80 mile per hour, and this one is going 10 less, so 70 miles per hour. Okay, so thus one car is traveling 80 miles per hour, and the other, okay, is traveling 10 less, that means 70 miles per hour. Final.